Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Elektra Micro Casa Leva Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replace a few gaskets on the machine, replacing the gaskets of the group head as well as the side glass. We clean it around it. We made sure that this was not full of scale and this was clean inside the group head. We polished everything around. We replaced the gaskets and put it back together. We also had to replace the pressure stat of this machine. This one that you see right here. And we also had to replace the core. This power core of the machine. So yeah, we did a bit of work on this espresso machine. So now starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing out this machine. I hope I pick up the right grind setting so this machine, otherwise we're going to see deep drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. This one has a spring in here, so you don't really dial in your espresso with your machine. You will not have a nice cup of coffee. Good shot of espresso. I probably need to add a bit more coffee and tamper it a little bit harder to get that beautiful, beautiful stream coming out of the spouts. But we still got a nice shot of espresso. 1 ounce of liquid right here with a bit of crema. For this machine, it's nice and steady, as you can see. No leaks anywhere. Working perfectly fine. Machine has stayed on that green level of the temperature, so the pressure side has been working and this machine has not overheated. So there you have it, Elektra Micro Casa working once again. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.